And now I will show you, like right now, suppose you want to check whether some Oracle database instance is running on your Linux server or not. Okay, suppose some guy gave access to Oracle Linux server, and he asks you, okay, tell me whether any Oracle database instance is running on this Linux server. So how will you check? So guy, what you will do is, just you need to run this Linux command ps, just a second guys, ps-ef pipe grep pmon. Okay, so if some Oracle database instance is already running, so it will be showing in the output. Okay, so but right now you can see, like I gave this command grep pmon, so it just gave me the pmon output. It didn't give me the output showing some Oracle instance running. Okay, so right now uh, nothing is running on this Linux server. Okay, so I will show you whatever Oracle database like I have already created on this Linux server. So this is a I'm trying to check the output. So don't just go into details. Okay, we will learn about each and every command, like whatever Linux command I'm using. We will go into depth. Okay, later on. I'm just giving you an overview. Okay, so I just using this cat/etc/oratype command. So in this output you can see test blue orcl. Okay, so these are the three different databases that I have already created on this Linux server, and these are the 19c Oracle 19c version database. Okay, so I will try to connect to one of these Oracle database. Okay, so just to give you an overview, so this is one .ora env command. Okay, to set the Oracle environment. So out of these three databases, I want to set the environment of ORCL database. So what I will give is, I will give the ORCL over here and give an enter. So my ORCL environment is set. Okay, now I will try to start up my ORCL Oracle database. So to start up my Oracle database, guys, I need to connect to the like SQL prompt. Okay, so via the sys user. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so basically guys, I'm trying to connect to SQL plus prompt. Okay, so this is passwordless authentication that I have used, passwordless OS authentication. Actually, in real, I have connected with sys user and password. Okay, so sys user is super user, admin level user. Okay, and sys DBA is the role that is assigned to the sys user. Sys DBA is a very powerful role, guys, that it can be used to create a database, drop a database, and do any high level changes to your database. Okay, so just for an overview, I'm telling you, just don't go into details. We will discuss about it later on. So what I did is, I try to connect to the SQL prompt using this command. Okay, via sys user. Okay, which has the sys DBA role. This is an admin level role. So let me show you. So just like I told you, I have connected via the sys user. Okay, this is the passwordless OS authentication that okay, so I have connected using the sys user. So the sys user password, actually it is already stored while we are creating the Oracle database. Okay, using the Oracle software while we are using creating the Oracle database. Okay, so the sys user password is already stored at the OS level. That's why we don't need to provide it over here. Like we don't need to do like SQL plus sys/sys password as sysdba. We can directly use SQL plus slash as sysdba. Okay, for our convenience. So I just showed you that we are connected as sys user via this SQL prompt. So to start up the database, to start up the ORCL database, we need to give the startup command. Okay. So I will give the startup command. So we need to wait for some time, guys, as our Oracle database will get started. There are various stages through which our database goes before uh, it comes in the read write mode. Okay, so we will study about it later in the upcoming videos. So I'm just trying to give you the practical overview in our first video. So as you can see, after giving the starter command, it is saying that the Oracle instance is started. So earlier, like using the ps-a pipe grep pmon, using this command we were trying to check whether any Oracle database instance was running or not. So let me tell you, this grep command means to, like, we are trying to filter out. Okay, so filter out, okay, like uh, what I'm trying to say is, using this command, if some Oracle instance was already running, we should get an output over here, like a different output. Okay, with the Oracle instance name, but here we're not getting any output, like just pmon is showing. So that's why no Oracle instance was running earlier. So now we started our Oracle instance using the start command. Okay, so it started the Oracle instance. Okay, and we will also know what an instance is. Okay, and it allocated some, as you can see, total system global area, total SGA. So this is the memory, these are the memory components, guys. Okay, these are the memory allocation that has been already assigned to the Oracle database. Okay, so the Oracle database has its own, memory. So these are the different memory components, as total SGA, fixed size, variable size, database buffer, redo buffer. These are the memory components. Okay, we will study about them in the later videos. So now, after the Oracle instance was started, memory was allocated, and then the database, it came in the database was mounted. Okay, it came into the mount stage, and then the database was opened. So there are various stages through which a database goes through when we give the startup command. Okay, so, and if I check using I'm using a select query, SQL query. Okay, select name, comma, open underscore mode from v dollar database. Just don't go into details, we will study about this. Basically, the v dollar database is a dynamic view. Okay, and these name, comma, open mode, these are the columns that are available in this dynamic view, and we are just selecting, okay, these columns from this view to see the output. So I think there is some syntax error. Let me just type it again. Okay, so now you can see that our Oracle database is now opened in read write mode. Okay, like we can perform read operations also on this Oracle database, and also the write operation. Write operations means we can do some insert, update, delete. Like we can make some changes to our database, like whatever data is stored, we can modify it also. Okay, so we will study, more about the basics of Oracle database in our upcoming videos. So guys, I hope you all got a good overview of what a Oracle database Linux server looks like, what is a virtual machine, what are the basic configurations of a Linux server. Okay, and I would request you to kindly subscribe to our channel My Oracle DBA guys, so that we get motivated to create more such interesting videos for you guys. And I guarantee you that this kind of practical approach and you know, hands-on experience explanation, like I'm whatever information I'm giving from my 10 plus years of experience that I've gained in by working in multiple MNC projects. Okay, so I hope you guys will subscribe my channel, and I will definitely create more interesting videos for you guys.